boring experiment ever to carry out is the study of persistent current pertained by a superconducting material, but the most fascinating factor is also the same. Superconductors are basically those conducting state of certain materials which exhibit infinite flow of current under a zero resistant condition. This zero resistant condition can be brought by lowering down the temperature of the conductor. At a particular temperature, there is a sudden transition from a normal conducting state to a superconducting state, which is manifested by a sudden drop from resistance value from a finite value to a zero point. That temperature at which the transition from a normal conducting state to a superconducting state occurs is called as transition temperature. So the prominent feature of a superconducting state is that all the materials which are basically conventional conductors need not be a superconductor, and similarly those non-conducting materials in the normal room temperature conditions will exhibit superconducting properties. Apart from the exhibition of zero resistance by the superconductor, another prominent feature which should be noted down is its magnetic property. At this superconducting state, the material exhibits diamagnetic behavior. So diamagnetism is understood by the property of a negative permeability, which means that the material never allows magnetic lines of force to pass through itself into the body. Let us suppose a normal conductor is taken to a superconducting state. So how is the superconducting state acquired? By reducing down the temperature of the material exactly at a point where it reaches its own transition temperature. The normal conductor enters into the state of a superconductor. Now suppose, let us imagine the material is exhibited to a field value, a magnetic field value of B in a room temperature condition, and along with the presence of the magnetic field, if the temperature of the material is brought down on crossing the transition temperature, that is the point at which the normal conductor enters to a superconducting state, it could be observed that all the magnetic lines of force which was passing through the material all this time suddenly experiences an expulsion out of the body of the material. This phenomenon is called as Meissner's effect.